Well, I
So this is my supervisor,
not with
Paul
the group,
Peterson,
I went
who
to
runs
San Francisco.
the
They
that's right.
came by
division for science
Renato
research
told
and
me
projects.
you are,
And our
you just had
supervisor,
a grandson,
David
right?
Burns,
Pleasure.
Science and Technology Office.
This weekend, but
We have some very distinguished guests this week, and we're here to mark our partnership with the Brazilian Space Agency, ANITA.
This morning, North Alabama. NASA has 10 field centers, and we're one of those field centers. And you'll see many of the other NASA organizations you probably recognize. We want to welcome our friends from Brazil and look forward to some productive conversations today and tomorrow. And over the next 2 days, I look forward to finding more opportunities for collaboration and knowledge sharing that will be mutually beneficial for both of our nations. There are so many exciting opportunities for research to enhance both sides. And with that, I'm going to turn it over to Dr. Carr, the president here at UAH, who would like to extend his welcome.
Good morning, thank you.
thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm thrilled with the partnership we have with NASA. Really excited that our faculty and staff and students are able to help support what it is you folks do. Anything we can do for you while you're here in the community, please let us know.
Thank you very much for the
Yes, sir. Thank you. Anything we can do for you, make sure that's okay. Thank you so much.
In multiple thousands, many thousands. One of the challenges with nuclear electric propulsion is it doesn't generate as much thrust. So it generates a very low thrust, but for a long time, and it's extremely efficient. Alternatively, a nuclear thermal propulsion system uses a radioactive isotope. We use uranium to heat a gas, in this case hydrogen.
Be anything from PRISM proposals to Pioneer proposals in the Astrophysics Division.
They select 2 suites each year. Currently, PRISMs 1 and 2 and 3 have not solicited CubeSats.
But again, we use an agile strategy. We call them spirals. And anyways, we do emission analysis, we do a vehicle analysis, we do based on
is when Mission Control Houston has an inclement weather condition, a hurricane or flooding, they will roll control to us and we will take over as the backup control center and they will fly their control teams here. So again, we like to pride ourselves on being your connection to space. They work to put in the change request to see when we can move that activity either to the next day or the day after. Without resupply, it depends on when the last resupply was and how much material we brought up. We do what we call run to zero tracking. In the future, if you guys ever have the need, we are here. And again, we want to be your connection to space. Thank you.
Thanks, Dwight.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Será que já está aí aquele módulo novo?
Tem módulo aqui nos Estados Unidos também? Lá embaixo tem vaga.
Daí não só as cápsulas
various materials on the far end of this for underground testing, so either with ground penetrating radar or with we have already very Okay.
Don't want to hold you up too much time. Clay, how am I doing? You good?
I think we're good.
All right, any questions?
I think your avatar looks like the Spider-Man.
Yes, yes, it does. Yes, it does. And it looks like me as well. I am Spider-Man.
Brine. This is U.S. brine. And then it goes to further processing And then you end up with a urine distillate.
Because of that sulfuric acid, the calcium that was in the urine from the astronauts shedding bone mass combined with the sulfur formed calcium sulfate, which is gypsum. We're doing the distillation process, removing most of the water to recover it, but that meant we were
for years on that.
not for years, but it's with the visiting vehicles, resupply vehicles.